yeah, it's like a purpley grayish type color. It looks the exact same in person, and it dries pretty well too. So this is also a nude color, but it's more of a brown undertone this time, and mixed with a little bit of gray. But yeah, this is actually one of my favorite colors out of this particular set of gel polishes. It shows up pretty good. I only did one layer of every shade in this set, but this color is pretty good and it's actually one of my favorites. So this shade is more so like a pink toned color. It's pretty pale. It's also one of my favorite colors too. It shows up a little bit more pinker in person than on camera right now, but this is also another one of my favorites. So for my overall review of these polishes, I actually like them besides the ones I actually said I didn't like. So this color and the other mauve color next to the white one. I liked how they dried. I liked how they went on. The only thing I didn't like is the actual bottle brushes. Well, the brush in the bottle. But other than that, the colors are good. They dry in 30 seconds. So you're all good. Thanks for watching.